Today, we're going to be inspecting and replacing a genuine Kubota starter. The tools you'll need are a 13mm wrench and a torque wrench. To get started, let's take off the positive battery cable, and then let's take off the main power from the starter. After that, we will disconnect the starter solenoid connector. Then, we'll take off the bolt and nut that holds the starter to the engine. Make sure to hold underneath so the starter does not fall off the engine. When inspecting the starter, we will look and see what happens if the main connector at the starter solenoid gets over-torqued. Let's take off the cover for the plunger and remove that plunger. Inside, you can see the contacts are crooked, and there's only one point of contact on this. Since it's over-torqued, this will cause premature failure of the starter solenoid, which is not covered by warranty. So let's make sure that nut is torqued to 6.5 foot-pounds of torque. To install the replacement starter, install the mounting bolt and mounting nut. Next, we will reconnect the starter solenoid connector and reconnect the nut underneath. This is the connection that needs to be torqued to 6.5 foot-pounds. Otherwise, the plunger blade can be warped, which causes premature failure. Lastly, reconnect the positive battery cable and you're good to go. For more information about Kubota engines, please visit us at ai-engines.com.